hydrogen generator. I've got two. Be quiet. Be quiet. I've got two like milkshake kind of like for the gym because they could hold the pressure fairly well, and it gets piped out into the bubbler. So if this side explodes, it won't explode these two. It'll just explode the bubbler a little bit. Yeah. And then I'm filling this, and you saw the thumbnail and the title, so you know what's happening. And I've got two Xbox power supplies powering it, and that's about how much gas is coming out. So yes, the hole, I made it with this. It's for putting posts in the ground, but it's about the right size for what I need. And then that, so we're gonna take the bottle I have, the container that's filled with hydrogen, put it in there, and then take this dirt and put it in here and cover it, and then there'll be a wire to detonate it, and then we'll see what happens. And I'm gonna try to pack this on top so it doesn't just kind of shoot it all out, but that might be what happens, so we'll see. In the hole here, this is my detonator I made. Comment if you want a separate video on that, using just a transmitter, and then I twist this knob and then a little arc comes across. Well, not here, but over here there's a plug and then it arcs in there. So it's all packed in there. I'm gonna hook up the detonator and I'm gonna stand back there. Okay, and I'm gonna put it in slow-mo for you. Okay, so that was interesting. I didn't know what I expected, but it just went whoop. So I'll time-lapse digging it out and we'll see what it's like. I believe it's water vapor that's coming out of the hole. So I'm gonna keep digging. This is what it looks like. I brought out all the shrapnel, but yeah, it didn't do a whole lot. I didn't expect it to, but I kind of wish it did. But it was buried so deep that not a whole lot would have happened. But yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see with this. Like the hydrogen generator, what you'd like me to fill with it, and stay tuned for some upcoming videos because they're going to be pretty cool. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.